cause it's staying in the dark. Girl, if you don't feel something, something is wrong. Yeah, if you don't feel something, something is wrong. What the man say?
He said the flashlight in my pocket,
no have no battery.
he said the flashlight in my pants,
No have no bulb.
he said the flashlight in my pocket,
No have no battery.
he said the flashlight in my pants.
Yeah,
No have no bulb.
why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Why till you feel something, girl?
Till you feel it.
Why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Why till you feel something, girl?
Till you feel it.
And then you stop. And the man them tag up. Make the man them tag up. All the man them tag up. Make the man them tag up. All the man them tag up. Make the man them tag up. All the man them tag up. What you do, girl? Tag up. What you do? Why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Why till you feel something, girl?
Till you feel it.
Why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Why till you feel something, girl?
Till you feel it. Wait, you can
I want all the ladies stop to wine,
something. Wait,
because the man will get the turn right down for that up.
Wait, you can wait.
Yo, Rick,
When I see that,
y'all say they like it.
how they like it.
1 foot up and 1 foot down.
Here's what's up. It is them girls them duty to wake up them boys cemetery. It is them girls them duty to wake up them boys cemetery. Cause if it dead, we want look at them girl will not lie. If it dead, we want look at them girl will not cry. If it dead, we want look at them girl will not lie. If it dead, we want look at them girl will not cry. Wait up, girl, why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Oh, why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Oh, why till you feel something,
Wait
girl?
till you feel it.
Oh, why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
And then you stop. All them and them tag up. Tag up. You know what that means? Tag up. Holy girl.
Tag up.
And then you do some.
Tag up.
Hi.
Tag up.
Make them and them tag up. All them and them tag up. Where the girl? Why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
1 foot up
Wait till you feel it.
and 1 foot down.
Wait till you feel it.
1 foot up.
Wait till you feel it.
Oh, bend your back.
And find the spot.
Oh, touch your knees.
And find the spot.
Touch your toes.
And find the spot.
And then you whine.
Wait till you feel it.
Oh, why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Oh, why till you feel something, girl?
Till you feel it.
Oh, why till you feel something?
Wait till you feel it.
Bend your back.
And find the spot.
Touch your knees.
And find the spot.
Touch your toes. Gone, break is all alone. Even though she never come back. Oh, I promise I never hurt again.
I never heard her again.
I never hurt again. She's gone, break is all alone. Even though she never come back. Oh, I promise I never hurt again.
I never heard her again.
I never hurt again. Never, 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 and if she have found someone new, please better think twice. I'm telling you, girl, if you don't come back to me, I know I would die. I never hurt her again.
I never heard her again.
I never hurt her again. I never hurt her again.
I never heard her again.
I never hurt her again. I never hurt her again.
I never heard her again.
I never hurt her again. You know, baby, since you've been gone, I've been here all alone. I need you, baby. Yeah, this is Reckless alongside the General. Keep it real, for real. girl. If you don't come back to me, I know I would die. I never hurt her again.
I'll never hurt her again.
I'll never hurt her again.
Hurt her again.
I never hurt her again.
I'll never hurt her again.
I never hurt her again.
Hurt her again.
I never hurt her again.
I'll never hurt her again.
I never hurt her again.
Hurt her again.
Now ladies,
Buy it again.
make sure when you distribute your gossip,
That's what them say.
make sure you put the nigga there, you know. But nobody will say that when you say something. So when you hear it on the street,
Buy it again.
and follow shoot your friend.
That's what them say.
This is Reckless, alongside the General.
I was on my way to this young girl house. She said she my lover.
I love her. I love her.
But the man went to the house, I broke out this young girl, tell me you love to talk very much.
Very much. Very much.
She say you don't reckless, that girl you crazy fast. She need to buy with another man. It is only rumors.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again. Buy it again.
It is only gossip.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again.
It's like
He said and she said. Everything that's a said. He said and she said. Everything that's a said.
it is only rumors.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again. Buy it again.
It is only rumors.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Remember, right?
Buy it again.
Whenever you shush for Reckless,
That's what them say.
make sure you put the nigga there, you know. You know what that means? On confirm report.
Buy it again.
Shush your friend.
That's what them say.
Hey, go chill out. Hey, go chill out.
But I love the way you swear, but you do the word. It is only rumors.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again. Buy it again.
It is only gossip.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again.
It's like
He said and she said. Everything that's a said. He said and she said. Everything that's a said.
it is only rumors.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again. Buy it again.
It is only gossip.
That's what them say. That's what them say.
Mingo party and me and boo.
Buy it again.
It's like
He said and she said. Everything that's a said. He said and she said. Everything that's a said. Nigga.
Remember now,
Nigga.
whenever you shoot for somebody,
Nigga.
make sure you put the nigga there, you know.
Nigga.
That means on confirm report.
Nigga.
And when you hear by the street,
Nigga.
and guess for who?
Nigga. Nigga.
Tutsi boom. No fancy boom. To Jahari. So the make way. Make Jahari pass through. Yeah. Chubadi. 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 Chubadi.
Who's that girl?
the girl with the hip and the big fat bumper. The girl with the look so nice and proper.
Who's that girl?
The girl with make me bash with the paper.
Who's that girl?
The girl with make me boy them holler. And it's close to Harry. And it's close to Harry. And you went to Harry. Tell me why you so freaky. And it's close to Harry. And it's close to Harry. Oh, you went to Harry. Tell me why you so freaky. You're a Harry, girl, to Harry. What's a Harry, girl, to Harry? What's a Harry, girl, to Harry? Tell me why you so hey. To Harry, girl, to Harry. What's a Harry, girl, to Harry? To Harry, girl, to Harry. Tell me why you so freaky. You're a Harry, girl, to Harry. What's a Harry, girl, to Harry? To Harry, girl, to Harry. Tell me why you so
You freaky thing, yo. Chubadi. Chubadi. This is Reckless. Y'all Jahari. Listen.
Who's that
Okay, familia, welcome tonight. Welcome. This is Garifuna Music on Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach, California. Tonight, we have Reckless in the house. Reckless will be performing in Los Angeles this Friday. This Friday is not only the beginning of the festivities of the 19th of November celebration, but it is also a day where Garinagu come together at the church called Nativity Catholic Church on Vermont off of Slauson. And the Mass will be celebrated at 9 in the morning, so get there early. There's a series of activities going on this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let me go to GAFU page to get more information for you. If you want to see for yourself and look at all the activities that are going on during the 19th of November celebration, I am going to copy and paste the page of GAFU so you could share it with family and friends and find out what's going on. We have a list of activities. We have the flyers posted there on the Garifuna Heritage Foundation so that you could go ahead and select which of the many events that are going on during Garifuna 19th of November celebration in Los Angeles you want to attend. So we're going to get started with Friday. So this Friday, we have a big dance. We have, of course, Reckless. Reckless will be performing Friday night, the 13th. Let me pull up the flyer. I'm having such a hard time remembering all of these things. But in the meantime, let me welcome each and every one of you to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach through RadioCentroamerica.com and LMBRoots.com radio in New York. Every Wednesday from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We bring to you the best of recording artists, musicians, producers, and musical directors behind Garifuna Music. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga and enjoy my show tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. This is your weekly radio show on Radio Centroamerica in Los Angeles and www.lmbroots.com in the Boogie Down Bronx. We are live every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and of course from 10 p.m. to midnight in New York. So, as I was telling you, we have a lineup of events that are happening this weekend due to the celebration of the Garifuna Settlement Day, which was started back in the early days in Belize by Thomas Vincent Ramos. He was a Honduran leader and a futurist, somebody who lived in Dangriga and who created this holiday. I'm not sure how long ago. I read about it for so long that I can't remember the exact date, but it's a celebration that it's happening year after year now. So on Friday, November 13, 2015, the 19th celebration will start at My Palazzo Banquet Hall. This is a wonderful dance with Lloyd and Reckless, backed by 501 Band. Also, Lover Boy will be in the house, a Wahaya Band, Daddy Tracy, and of course Iseri Garinagu Cultural Group. It's going to be at 1000 West 70th Street, Los Angeles, California. So don't forget to support all these events. And so we're talking about the one on Friday. Again, it's the Belize Garifuna 19th of November celebration with R&W Sounds, Guaf Sounds, and of course Global Sounds. And let's see, ECB also. So it's 4 different DJs there, 5 different DJs. and win a 50-inch flat screen TV when you purchase a pre-sale ticket for $20. So the doors open at 7 p.m. and the dance goes on until. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mi Palazzo Hall on Friday, the 13th of November. Mi Palazzo Hall is located at 1000 West 70th Street, Los Angeles, California, and you are welcome and invited to attend. Also on Sunday, now let's go to Sunday. Let's pull up that flyer. It's so much information to share tonight, ladies and gentlemen. And don't forget, tonight we also have Reckless, straight and direct from the studios right here in Long Beach. The man will be, actually he is tonight at rehearsal with 501 Band, so we'll give him a call as soon as the man is finished. The plan was to have him right here inside the studio of Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, but the plans changed due to rehearsal. But the man will be live over the phone talking to us about his life as a musician, his music, and of course a small tribute to T Boom Boom, who died recently in Dangriga. T Boom Boom happens to be one of the girls that was dancing in the video from the song called T Boom Boom by Reckless, and well, he will tell us more about it. So on Sunday, the 15th of November, Sunday, check this out. Join us to celebrate the 19th of November as LDR Visions and Roots Creations Promotions and Productions in association with True Belician present the Garifuna Settlement Day celebration in memory of Garifuna Settlement Day Group President Mr. James Paul Castillo, who passed away recently in Las Vegas, Nevada. So this is a special tribute. This is going to be at Hollywood Park Casino, 3885 West Century Boulevard in Los Angeles. Everybody knows where Hollywood Park Casino is located, and it is in the city of Inglewood, of course. And the lineup for the 15th of November, which is Sunday, starting at, 1 p.m., actually 2 p.m., 2 p.m. until 10 p.m., is going to be Caribbean Dynamics Band, Junior Wanarawa Team, so Wanarawa dancers will be there. Also, Lirahuyu Chatouillet Dance Company, straight out of Belize. They will be performing there. Gooey Culture Band will be there. Baby Lion, Lady Justice, Skull Flores, Sop Sanchez, and your host, DJ Labuga, will be there. And the music will be by DJ Evan, R&W Sounds, and DJ Cool. So, Garifuna Settlement Day celebration will be on Sunday, the 15th of November at Hollywood Park Casino. Donation: children 0 to 5 years of age are free. Kids between 6 and 11 years of age will be $5, and 12 years and older will be $10 to get in. So it's affordable, and everyone is welcome. It's a family event. Doors open at 2 p.m., and the event ends by 10 p.m. So this is on Sunday, November 15th, and of course, it's going to be at Hollywood Park Casino. Okay. So we talked about the Mass. The Mass will be, again, one more time. Let me pull up the flyer. This is so interesting here as we do live radio show. So the Mass will be on Saturday, starting at 9 in the morning. So we advise people to get there real early. We're talking about 7:30, 8 o'clock if you want to get a seat to be able to participate in this wonderful Mass where there is drumming, where there is gayusas, where there is a whole bunch of things going on during the Mass. And of course, we have dignitaries who will be present there during the Mass, and including Dr. Theodore Aranda, who will be here in Los Angeles as of tomorrow, Thursday. Tonight, he had the presentation at Garifuna Flavor Restaurant in Chicago from 7 to 9 p.m. I think it just finished right now. Oh, it's still going on. But check it out. We'll be broadcasting live this wonderful presentation here in Los Angeles with Dr. Theodore Aranda. This will be on Friday, the 13th of November at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We will be broadcasting live on a webcast, so you could watch it on your TV screen. We're going to be broadcasting through our GAFU channel on YouTube. So if you don't have an account on YouTube, make sure you open an account. And it's free. You don't have to open an account. But it would be good if you go ahead and sign up and make sure that you have GAFU channel on your list as favorites. And so all you got to do is the day of the event, go to your GAFU channel on YouTube and click on live event, and you will be able to watch the entire presentation of Dr. Aranda's research on the origins of Garifuna from Africa all the way to the Americas, way before Christopher Columbus and the Europeans came to America. So ladies and gentlemen, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga is inviting each and every one of you for this wonderful streaming, live video streaming of Dr. Aranda, Africa to America Park, the Garifuna Journey, presenting his research into the migration of the Garifuna people, Friday, November 13, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Dr. Aranda's project is in the research into the migration of the Garifuna people from the time they left their place of origin in the Olduvai Gorge to the Americas where they are now. So did you know, according to his research, the Garifuna were already in Central America way before 1797. They were there way before the exile from Yurumen. So this is not my words. This is not my research. This is Dr. Theodore Aranda, who is bringing to us a free event along with GAFU. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are moving right along with the celebration of the Garifuna Settlement Day, the 19th of November, as Garinago arrived to Belize, led by Eligio Beni. All right, so here we are. We got our next event would be the Los Angeles Cultural Group presents Garifuna celebrations on November 14th and 15th. That will be Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be by Aunt Martha's backyard, and it's 973 East 42nd Street in Los Angeles, with drumming, Garifuna food, and, of course, all kinds of cultural things happening by the backyard there at 973 East 42nd Street, Los Angeles, by Aunt Martha, who will be welcoming a group of Gayusas who are coming from New York. So don't miss that. And also, Garinago United of Los Angeles presents Garifuna celebrations at San Rafael Church Yard, 941 West 71st Street, Los Angeles. This is an annual event that happens right after the Mass on Saturday. So the Mass on Saturday, it's at 9 a.m. to until about maybe 11:30 in the morning, maybe around 12 midday. So after that, people go from Nativity Church, where the Mass will be, all the way to St. Raphael's, which is off of Vermont and 71st, close to Florence. And that's where the Garinago United of Los Angeles presents a wonderful afternoon of delicious Garifuna food, dance, live bands, all kinds of performances, and DJs will be entertaining all of the audience. So don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, this is Garinago United of Los Angeles on the 14th of November, celebrating Garifuna Settlement Day for Belize. Then we move right along to Friday night, the 13th again. See, the way I'm giving you all these dates is back and forth, but it's just the way I'm feeling it right now. It must be the pressure of having to do that interview, which is coming up in a few, with Reckless, straight from Belize, who is here to perform along with Lloyd this 13th of November at Mi Palazzo Hall. So on the 13th of November again, Gui Pasi will be performing at a different venue. This is at 153 West 90th Street in Los Angeles. Gui Pasi will be live as part of the Garifuna Settlement Day. So it's on Friday, November 13 at 153 West 90th Street in Los Angeles. So that's Gui Pasi for you, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, on November 7th, this already happened. The Tabugien Dibasi is the Uraga night. That happened on the 7th of November at Debbie's Place. And of course, the picking of Miss Garifuna 2015, which was a wonderful event on the 7th of November, where the representative, the beautiful Aminika Zuniga, who represented Hopkins, took the crown for 2015-2016. This pageant was a beautiful event. It was back after so many years of not being celebrated. So that was at Salam Temple, and it was such a success. So congratulations again to the three of the people, of the youngsters who put it together. We're talking about Nige Augustine, Afra Lambe, and of course Amanda Palacio. So congratulations to the three of you who were also trained and of course given advice by some of the elders in the community. So ladies and gentlemen, this is your lineup again for the Garifuna Settlement Day events coming up this weekend. So the Mass, again, is going to be on Saturday, 14th of November, 9 a.m., Nativity Church, 953 West 57th Street, Los Angeles, California. And it's going to be starting at 9 in the morning until about midday. So if you want to get a seat there, make sure you arrive early. Then on the Friday, the night before, we have Dr. Theodore Aranda, who will be here from Belize and who just came from a tour of New York and Chicago tonight. He will be coming to Los Angeles tomorrow, and he will be doing a presentation on his research, Africa to America Park, the Garifuna Journey, presenting his research into the migration of the Garifuna people, the origins, right, from Olduvai Gorge to the Americas where they are now. So this is on Friday, November 13, 2015, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You don't have to go anywhere for this event. You could just watch it in the comfort of your home via YouTube. All you got to do is make sure that you have an account with YouTube. Even if you don't have an account, you could also watch it live. Go to YouTube and then search for Gafu channel. Gafu is spelled G-A-H-F-U, Gafu channel, and you will see the live event, a red light flashing right there. All you got to do is click on it on the screen, and then it will take you right into the live streaming, the live broadcast on Friday, November 13th, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time through lmbroots.com and, of course, through YouTube. So, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Aranda, his project is the research into the migration of the Garifuna people from the time they left their place of origin in the Olduvai Gorge to the Americas where they are now. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we're going to play more music as we welcome Reckless tonight, straight from Los Angeles. Que motea.
That's what it is. Fabi's Tutsi boom. No fancy boom. To Jahari. So the make way. Make Jahari pass through. Yeah. Chubadi. Who's that girl? The girl with the hip and the big fat bumper. Who's that girl? The girl with the look so nice and proper. Who's that girl? The girl with the bash with the paper. Who's that girl? The girl with the boy them holla. I'm scared Jahari. I'm for Jahari. Are you bent Jahari? Tell me why you so freaky. I'm scared Jahari. I'm for Jahari. What are you bent Jahari? Tell me why you so freaky. You Jahari girl Jahari. Oh Jahari girl Jahari. Oh Jahari girl Jahari. Tell me why you so Jahari girl Jahari. Oh Jahari girl Jahari. Jahari girl Jahari. Tell me why you so freaky. You Jahari girl Jahari. Oh Jahari girl Jahari. Jahari girl Jahari. Tell me why you so you freaky thing, yo. Chupati. This is Reckless. Y'all Jahari. Listen. Who's that girl? The girl with the hip and the big fat bumper. Who's that girl? The girl who looks so nice and proper. Who's that girl? The girl who make me bash with paper. Who's that girl? You are nice. Jahari girl.
Lanari Bekaka Ima.
Jahari girl, Jahari, oh Jahari girl, Jahari, oh Jahari girl, Jahari, tell me why you so freaky. Oh Jahari girl, Jahari, oh Jahari girl, Jahari, oh Jahari girl, Jahari, tell me why you so Jahari girl, oh Jahari girl, I Jahari girl, Jahari, tell me why you so you Jahari girl, Jahari.
You wanna? This is reckless.
Jahari girl,
Al Jahari.
Jahari girl. Auntie Lolita, tumba, tumba. Auntie Lolita, tumba, tumba. She tell her that she man no dey own. She tell her that she man gotta work. She tell her that she man no dey own. She tell her that she man gotta work. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. Miggy, miggy, ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu.
¿Qué, Botea?
Ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can't forget Happy Veterans Day to our beautiful soldiers serving our country. And of course, those who already served, the veterans, this is for you. Yes, if you wore the uniform, you are a veteran. So Happy Veterans Day.
Miggy, miggy, ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu, miggy, miggy, ubailu.
Ready to go? Answer. Lodi tele, wala luma na mule reckless. Watch your hat, give a look.
Dori numada, tumba, tumba. Dori numada, tumba, tumba. She tell her that she man no dey own. She tell her that she man gotta work. She tell her that she man no dey own. She tell her that she man gotta work. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything. So she give her, give her, give her, give her, give her everything.
Before you give her, think about that. Before you give her, think about that.
Why no man beat you?
When you man beat you,
Why no man beat you, girl?
when you man beat you,
Why no man beat you?
when you man beat you,
Why no man beat you, girl?
when you man beat you.
Now ladies, if you know say no man no put their hand by you, let me hear you scream out. And remember, if any man abuse you, beat her back. Let no man beat you.
When you man beat you,
Let no man beat you, girl.
when you man beat you.
Bueno, wapiga tia balle. Magiel, Lugel, hey girl, come up with no bird. Reckless tale. Kimo. Keep on in. Big up the group, massive right. The temple massive. Kimo, chill out.
He mama little girl, wake the star, made it home, yeah. Hey mama little girl, got the star, made it home, yeah. bacha wa dunia Gameta chiluru Iya numo Tura bacha rumano Irida habadina Labuta bacha wa dunia Himini da banana kumuluwa Himini da banana Himini da banana mululuwa 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 If you don't watch nobody face why maybe
Yes,
you
ladies
are
and
gonna
gentlemen.
reach Come on
Ready for the Music on Talk with DJ Labugas live Wednesday, 11th of November. Yes, we got Reckless live and direct from Los Angeles. ¿Qué mutia?
Mind yourself, no watch me, watch yourself. Nobody mind me. No watch me, watch yourself. No mind me, mind yourself. No watch me, watch yourself. Nobody mind me. We know what your face. We know what your face. Cause every day we did they don't. We know what your face. We know what your face. We know what your face. Every day we did they don't. We know what your face. They'll be haters. Yeah, they're backstabbers. That's true. They're suckers. Yeah, even that mother. They'll be haters. Yeah, they're backstabbers. That's true. They're suckers. Yeah, even that mother. We know what your face. We know what your face. Cause every day we did they don't. We know what your face. Every day we did they don't. We know what your face. I'm reckless, not ready to go in. We know what your face. Big up Billy at Great Heights, right? I'm seeing murder. Know that you get up, so not pay for girl, them they hate you. Know that you get up, so not pay for girl, them they grudge you. Know that you get up, so not pay for girl, them they hate you. Know that you get up, so not pay for girl, them they grudge you. But make them say what they want to say. Make them say what they want to say. Make them say what they want to say. Cause know what your face. We know what your face. Cause every day we did they don't. We know what your face. Every day we did they don't. We know what your face. I'm reckless, not ready for going. We know what your face. They're be haters. Yeah, they're backstabbers. That's true. They're suckers. Yeah, I even got mother. Haters. Yeah, they're backstabbers. That's true. They're suckers. Yeah, I even got mother. Doesn't we know what your face. 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 You climb up the mountain and say it is too steep. If you don't watch nobody, then maybe you are not rich. If you climb up the mountain and say it is too steep. If you don't watch nobody, then maybe you are not rich. Hey, we know what your face. We know what your face. Every day we did they don't. We know what your face. And reckless, not ready to go yet. We know what your face. Every day we did they don't. We know what your face. No road, not ready to go yet. We know what your face. Every day we did they don't. We know what your face. And Lloyd, not ready to go yet. We know what your Gari na go. Seremelo bungio. Bungio waba. Wagi larigi. Breakfast jale. Luma Edran. Higa mutela Edran.
Lumutino, Kabala, Bibagarie, Migiru Lumutina, Bugio, Bogdie. I don't for the Lumutino, Kabala, Bibagarie, Abalarie Bono,
Italuba Wawa,
Abalarie Bono,
Italuba Wawa,
Abalarie Bono.
Italuba Wawa,
Abalarie Bono,
Italuba Wawa, Italuba Wawa.
luba wawa. Itara luba wawa. Furiegi wa malu, apure me lugi e bungi you something above. Furiegi wa malu, apure me lugi e bungi you something above. Lugi 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 wa, vitaki yanga tati wa. Oh wa, oh wa, oh wa, oh wa, oh wa.
Migiro lumutina, bungio, a soffrire. Del mutino kabla ni bagarie migiru mutina bungio asufirira arufu del mutino kabla ni bagarie amalari gono
itara luba wawa
amalari gono
itara luba wawa
my business
right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Gary from the Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct in the studios in Long Beach, California. From the studios, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have Lloyd. No. Let me say that again. We have Reckless. Of course, Lloyd in Los Angeles as well. He is rehearsing right now with 501 Band, ready for the gig on Friday night, the 13th of November. And tonight we are going to have Reckless, ladies and gentlemen, live and direct right here from Los Angeles. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live on www.radiocentroamerica.com from Los Angeles and www.lmbroots.com radio from the Boogie Down Bronx. Don't forget to visit LMB Roots page now. It's a lot easier to load up, so you will be surprised how easy it is for you to listen to the radio when you go to www.lmbroots.com radio. I want to send a big shout out to a listener who is in Honduras right now. Un saludo muy cordial para David Ruz. David Ruz, who is listening live in Tegucigalpa, Honduras. He says, buenísimo show, qué buenas rolas, está sonando buen show. Gracias para David Ruiz, quien está en sintonía total con nosotros esta noche allá en Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Thank you, Tegucigalpa, Honduras, for tuning in. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach. Also, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that tonight, right after the show with Reckless, we will be doing a test for Friday as we await the presentation by Dr. Aranda. Dr. Aranda will be coming straight from Chicago tomorrow night or tomorrow afternoon to do a presentation live right here in the studios of Garifuna Music and Talk. He will be talking about his project, the research into the migration of the Garifuna people from the time they left their place of origin in the Olduvai Gorge to the Americas where they are now. So Dr. Theodore Aranda, Africa to America Park, a Garifuna journey will be presented live and direct in the comfort of your home through GAFU channel. Live video streaming that night on on Friday night, the 13th of November, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga presents live from Los Angeles, Dr. Theodore Aranda. So it's going to be on lmbroots.com and also on GAFU channel. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We are live and direct. I think we have Reckless now on the line, so let's put him on right now. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again. We are live right now from the studios in Long Beach, California. We're gonna put Reckless live on the line right now. Okay, so as we speak, we're gonna welcome Reckless to the studio tonight. Good evening, Reckless. How are you, my brother?
Hello?
Reckless. Yes, I.
Yes.
Yes, man. How are you? How was rehearsal?
Okay. What's
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, the phone is kind of broken up. But we don't finish rehearsal now.
Okay, good. Well, welcome to Los Angeles, Reckless. Welcome tonight. As we also want to welcome each and every one of the listeners. We have a full house tonight waiting for you to say hello to all of your fans. New York is in the house. Los Angeles is in the house. Also Houston, Chicago, all over the place. Even in Honduras and in Belize, we have people listening live, Reckless. So I want you to take a minute to acknowledge the beautiful audience who are listening to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga and who have been expecting to hear you live and direct from Los Angeles. Go ahead.
Well, first of all, I'd just like to say, thanks to all my fans all over the world, here in the United States, Central America, Belize, and thanks for the support.
Hey, no problem, man. It is a pleasure for us to have an artist of the caliber of you, man. The way you have been showing your talent through your music, through your performances, through all of the stuff that you do around not only Belize, Central America, but also in the United States. You are one of the favorites. You are one of the original Punta Rebels. So we want to welcome you tonight. First of all, I want to ask you, how is everything coming along for Friday night, the 13th, for the big dance?
Well, first of all, I must say thanks to all of the promoters, And the vibes have been quite good, man. You know, a lot of people preparing for Friday night because, you know, Reckless got to be in the house. So, you know, it is coming just fine, coming good.
Yes,
And
man.
I'm inviting everybody from Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, you know, just come out Friday night at Palacio Place, you know, and come and celebrate with us. Being the
Yes,
19th
man.
of November.
Yes,
It's
man,
time
we'll
for us to
reassure you.
celebrate as Carinago people.
Yes, man. We'll be there, man. Trust me, we'll be there. People are eager to see you guys together again, Lloyd and Reckless. I am sure that Lloyd
Yeah,
is
man.
in the studio right now, also doing his rehearsal. So, but we want to talk about you tonight, man. We want to make sure that people know what kind of a presentation, what kind of a lineup do you have with your music tonight for Friday night?
All right, we have myself, Reckless. We have Lloyd Augustine. We have Dan Kiman. We have Loverboy. And we have 501 band in the house, you know, so it's going to be a mad lineup. If you miss this one, you're mad. I mean, I don't know much how to explain it, but it's a time to celebrate our culture, you know, so I'm inviting everyone to come out and celebrate with us.
Yes, man. Thank you for that, Lloyd. You know what? We have a full house. The Bronx is in the house. We have a full house with people listening from the Bronx, from New Jersey, from Brooklyn, New York, and also Chicago, Illinois is tuned in. So I want you to take a minute, make to acknowledge the beautiful people who are listening in the East Coast, Bronx, New York, and the entire family in Chicago, of course.
Yeah, like I've mentioned before, you know, I just want to thank everyone that has been supporting us for, you know, from way back from Song City Days to Ponte Rebels to Lloyd and Reckless. Now that I'm working solo, I just want to thank everybody, New York, Chicago, LA, all over the world. Just thanks for the support, man.
Beautiful, beautiful. Lloyd, so where were you born? What part of Belize were you born in?
I was born in Belize, you know, in a beautiful town of Dangria, the culture capital.
Oh wow, that's surprising. Very nice. Thank you for that, man. And so, how did you get started in music? Was it with you mentioned the very first band? Was it Sound City Tweeters?
Well, I started playing music from a young age. You know, I started off by playing the drums in primary school. Then I moved on to the band named Song City Band, and from there on, we formed Ponte Rebels in 1997.
Wow.
You know, Ponte Rebel lasted for like 4 years. And after that, you know, Lloyd and Reckless was born, a duo between Lloyd and Reckless. And from there on, we branched off on our own, you know, and now we are still surviving. And as a matter of fact, we are still relevant, you know, in the music industry. As much as a lot of things have been changed, but for us, we are still relevant in the music industry.
Wow, that's beautiful. I just got message right here. We are live on social media, so we have a lot of people who are interacting with me right now. I get DJ Evan's message. He says, I remember when Reckless first came to Los Angeles as a member of Sound City Band at Salam Temple. Tell us about that.
Yeah. That was in, I guess, like 99 or 98.
Wow.
That was the first time Ponte Rebels came to LA. Man, it was great, man. The people accepted us quite well. Everybody enjoyed themselves. And from there on, we started coming to LA. And, you know, I love LA people because they support us a lot.
Yes, man. No, definitely. I think this is the second largest Belizean community outside of Belize. How's that?
Repeat?
This is the second largest Belizean community outside of Belize.
Yep. A lot of Belizean.
Yes, man. Yes,
A
man.
lot of Belizean, Honduranian, Guatemalan, you know, support
Yes,
us
man.
here in the United States. So.
Yes, indeed. Reckless, my next question to you, man, you know, we don't want to hold you up too long, but we basically want to know how many albums have you recorded as a solo artist right now, and overall, how many albums do you have?
Man, I would guess like 5 albums as solo artist. But as Lloyd and Reckless, I think we did about 3. I did 4 with Ponte Rebels, 1 is Song City Band, so it's like almost 19 albums.
Wow. Wow, that's a whole lot. Is there anything in the works right now? Any album that you have in the works at this point?
As a matter of fact, what I'm trying to do is base more on videos. You know, I released an album last year. So right now, what I'm doing is just promoting that album. So at the present moment, I'm working on some music videos.
I
So
see.
that's my present work right now.
Okay, we also had mentioned on Facebook that we were going to talk about T Boom Boom. I know T Boom Boom died.
Yeah.
She was very well deared and of course liked by many people because she was the one that put Punta out there for all the tourists that came to Dangriga. And tell us about
Yep.
how you came about with T Boom Boom and what happened. You know, she's gone.
Well, me and Tibom, we had a good working relationship. You know, and my condolences goes out to her family. You know that she has gone. First of all, I must mention that she has contributed a lot to the Punta Rock industry. You know, she has made us recognize. You know, a lot of people love Tibom to the max. Now that she has gone, you know, she'll be highly remembered by so many. So her memory lives on, you know. So we just have to
Yes.
continue to do the work, and then have in mind that Tibom contributed a lot to the Punta Rock industry.
As a matter of fact, we all got to know T Boom Boom because of the video that you made so popular.
Yep. As a matter of fact, on YouTube, we have like 150,000 views.
Wow.
That is to show that so many. She was loved by so many, you know.
Yes, man. And especially now.
Uh-huh.
So the funeral for T Boom Boom, who is her real name is Araini Rodriguez, right? Araini
Irene
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez, yes.
Yes, man. So she will be the funeral will be when tomorrow. It was tonight or
The funeral will be on Thursday.
okay. So tomorrow.
You know,
Tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah, it's a pity that I can't be there, you know, because of per commitment. Man,
Yes.
my family and my friends will represent 100%. So.
Yes, man. No, definitely. I want to read the posting that you put on Facebook on your profile Facebook page this morning about 7 hours ago. It says, first of all, I must say my condolences goes out to the family of Araini Rodriguez, aka Tibun. You have contributed so much to the exposure of our Punta Rock music. You will surely be missed by myself and so many. Even though I won't be able to attend the funeral due to prior commitment in Los Angeles, I am sure that the family and friends will be present to represent me at 100%. May you rest in peace and rise in glory. Reckless Flores. Love you bad. Man, that was very nice.
Yep. Tibom, rest in peace, man.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, we are going to play that song after we hang up, after we finish talking to you, in honor and in tribute to T Boom Boom, who passed away, rest in peace, of course, in Dangriga. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live in the studios in Long Beach and also through 2 radio stations. We are live on www.lmbroots.com from the Boogie Down Bronx and www.radiocentroamerica.com in Los Angeles. We have on the line from the studios with 501 Band as he is rehearsing for the show on the 13th of November, this Friday at my Palazzo Hall. Reckless, a very well-known musician, somebody who is very dear to the Los Angeles community, somebody who has been recording music for years and who is here, and of course many fans cannot wait to see his performance on Friday. So don't forget, it's going to be on Friday the 13th of November from 7 p.m. on at Mi Palazzo Hall, and it's going to go until. So make sure you get your tickets in advance, $20. At the door, it's going to be a little bit more, but if you get your tickets in advance, you will enter a raffle for a 50-inch screen television. So make sure you get your tickets in advance. And I will pass out the phone number and the information in a few minutes. Actually, I have it right now. So, Reckless, so we understand that as part of the Punta Rebels, you travel all over the United States, some of the Caribbean islands. Can you share a little bit of your experience as you travel with Punta Rebels?
Well, it was a great experience, man. You know, we meet different people. As a matter of fact, we interact with different cultures. You know, so to be a part of Punta Rebels, you know, was something great. You know, we as a matter of fact, working with Super G and Lloyd, it's like a great combination, you know. And that is what makes us unique, because Super G have a different voice than mine. My voice is different than Lloyd, and when you combine three of them together, you get something unique.
Yes.
With our harmony, you know. So Punta Rebels was great.
Yes, beautiful. I get another question from the audience, man. People want to know if you brought any CDs for sale. People want to buy your brand new CD. So do you have any CDs for sale during the festivities this Friday?
CDs will be available at the show this Friday. So if you want a CD, just contact me at the show Friday, and I will surely, you know, please to sell you one. So just come out Friday, and CDs will be available.
How much are the CDs going to be selling for?
Well, $10.
$10. Belize or US?
US.
That's a good one. Yes, man. Nice. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, don't forget this Friday, November 13, Belize Garifuna, 19th of November celebration with Lloyd and Reckless, backed by 501 Band, Lover Boy, and of course, Awahaya Band, Daddy Tracy, and Isteri Isanigu Cultural Group at Mi Palazzo Hall, located at 1000 West 70th Street in Los Angeles, in the corner of Vermont and 70th, close to man, I keep forgetting these names, to Florence. So ladies and gentlemen, it's on Vermont and Florence. We have Reckless on the line, ladies and gentlemen. And my next question, Reckless, before we let you go, man, I know you must be tired, you must be hungry, you must be ready to go to bed, or maybe go party out there, because I know you want to take advantage of being in Los Angeles and be with your fans. What is are there any plans to do any collaborations with any of other Punta Rock artists or anyone else on the next album?
Well, I have plans to do some collaboration with, you know, but what I want to do is that mix it up with artists from Honduras, you know.
Yes.
La Boga.
Very nice.
You know, so that is my plan to do collaboration with Honduran and La Boga. So that'll be great.
Beautiful. I like that. I like to hear that. That is very nice. You need to open the horizons, man. You need to bring Garifuna musicians together, and that's one way of doing it. When are you going back to Belize? Reckless. Yeah, when are you going back to Belize?
I'm leaving on Saturday morning.
Oh man, so you're gonna miss the mass. You're gonna miss all the festivities then.
Yeah.
So you gotta do your own participation in Dangriga, right? You already booked for the 19th of November in Dangriga, and that's one of the reasons you're going back, right?
Yeah. As a matter of fact, we'll be performing on the park. You know, a free event we're going to give back to the community. Reckless, Super G, Chico Ramos. That's gonna be on the 18th of November, starting from 5 until 12 midnight. And from there on, we move on to the Wyandotte Island for the big bash, you know. So.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it directly from Reckless. It's going to be a big bashment on the 18th with all these beautiful artists. Some of these guys, you know, I really love, man. The music, traditional music by Chico Ramos and, of course, many more, including you, Reckless. And on the 19th of November, of course, party all night and all day, of course. Reckless, so how was your trip, man, coming from Belize? Was it an easy ride coming from Belize, or did you have to go through lots of stopovers to make it to Los Angeles in this trip?
Well, coming from Belize, as a matter of fact, when I reached in Dallas, I missed my flight. I missed my flight, so I stayed there overnight. But still, I'm glad to be here, you know.
Yes,
it's
man.
It's a sacrifice that I need to make, you know.
Did you bring any Happy Cow cheese or anything from Belize, man, that people might want to buy from you?
No, the only thing I brought was some Belizean rum.
Hey! Send me a bottle right there, man. Save me one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice, man. Okay, so thank you so much, Reckless. It's been a pleasure, man, having you here. I know it's kind of hectic for you, and it's kind of hard to really hear as you are standing right next to the rehearsal hall. So, but I really appreciate the fact that you took the time to be with us, man, and to share with us and the audience who are listening in New York, in Los Angeles, in Dallas, in all over the place, man. We got people listening right now. We are full right now. We have the lines full. As a matter of fact, about 90% of the people are listening in the United States. We have 8% in Belize, 8% of the people listening in Honduras, and of course, they all want to hear what is going on. So, are you looking forward to anything between now and Friday, man?
Well, the only thing I have in mind that is rehearsal, so I just want to get this show tight, you know?
Yes, man. Beautiful.
My focus is on rehearsal from now until Friday morning, because we really want to give the people a good show. So, and that came with good rehearsal, you know, to deliver.
Yes, man.
So,
thank you so much. Okay, Reckless, ladies and gentlemen, it's been Reckless live and direct from the rehearsal studios in Los Angeles. We thank you, man, for taking the time to be with us. A good night, and go back to the studio, man, and do your thing.
All right, bro.
Thank you. Ayo. All right, ladies and
Ayo.
gentlemen, that was Reckless live and direct right here in Los Angeles for all of you. Yes, tonight. Yes. Quémote,
This is Reckless. Boom. Now listen, right?
It's your life, single parent, live it just the way you want it. It is your life, single parent, live it just the way you want it. It is your life.
One cup of flour that coffee tea in a supper. One thing I'm a friend, feed the house of five. You know something, mommy, you never leave beside.
That's why we love you.
Love you. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. Single parent, hey, single parent, hey, single parent, hey. You want one of the parent, hey. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one. You got the ma, you got the pa, you got everything in a one.
Hey,
You wanna? I'm doing this one for all the single parents, them right? For real. This is Reckless. Don't listen, right? No man can fool you. No man can trick you. No man can use you. No man can jump around you. Now you pay your rent. Now you pay our bills. You have your own door key. No man can get that thing for free. No man can use you. No man can fool you. No man can trick you. No man can jump around you. Now you pay your rent. Now you pay our bills. You have your own door key. No one can get that thing for free. You got the man. You got the bar. You got everything in a one. You got the man. You got the bar. You got everything in a one. You got the man. You got the bar.
all right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and now we do our weekly report. Ahora sí nos vamos directamente con la directora del grupo de la danza de Budari Dance Company. Budari Dance Company, su manager Budari Palacios está en la línea ya para darnos el reporte semanal desde Nueva York. Muy buenas noches, Buitiguño, Budari y Daviña.
Buitiguño, un sungarinagu. Buenas noches a todos mis garífunas y mis amigos de las diferentes culturas. ¿Cómo están, mis amores? Aquí estaba su reportera Budari Palacios de Budari Dance Company desde Nueva York. Bueno, mis amores, gracias nuevamente por hacerme parte de su familia, DJ Labuga. Muchísimas gracias.
¿Qué
Radio
mutea?
Centroamérica. Bueno, mis amores, hoy quiero comenzar dándole un gran saludo, como dicen, Coroco goza a nuestra gente garífuna de la comunidad de Corozal.
Bienvenido, Corozal.
¡Viva Corozal!
Yay.
Bueno, queremos decirle feliz cumpleaños a lo que es nuestra querida Zuni María Oliva, que es de Corozal, que su esposo es el gran DJ La Puga, gran DJ Willy de La Puga Livingston.
Ajá, there you go.
También quiero mandar un fuerte saludo a la aldea de Trujillo, para
Yes.
todos nuestros amigos de Trujillo.
Ajá.
Bueno, mis amores, aquí mi querido amigo Galalay García David quiere mandarle un fuerte saludo a su familia hasta Corozal, lo que es Loida David y su hija Chandari David, desde Nueva York. Bueno, mis amores, sin mucho que decir, ni más que decir, aquí vamos. ¿Tienen lápiz y papel?
¡Listos!
Listo. Bueno, estamos aquí con lo que es el grupo Cereme, que es un grupo de Guatemala. Tendrán lo que es el Día del Garífuna Guatemalteco en los Estados Unidos. Ellos van a tener un evento cultural grande, muy bonito, lo cual será este 27 de noviembre. Estará diferentes artistas, grupos culturales. La entrada solo son $20, ¿verdad? Entonces pueden llamar al señor Roberto al 347-310-6737 o pueden llamar al señor Milo al 917-891-4810. También no se podían quedar atrás nuestras mujeres OMSAC, mujeres de Sangrelaya Cocalito.
¡Saludos!
Tienen una fiesta bailable con Nino Artú, lo que es el sábado 12 de diciembre. Entrada $20. Así que, mis amores, apunten el número. El 1646-752-2324 a la señora Berta o el 718-665-4486 a la señora Esperanza. Ahora nos vamos para la comunidad de Bajamar. ¡Viva Bajamar! Comunidad
¡Viva!
garífuna preciosa.
Yes,
¿Se les avisa? ¿Ah?
Adelante.
Bueno, se les avisa a todos los jóvenes de Bajamar que hay una reunión importante en la casa de Chelmi Amaya. Será el 15 de noviembre, el cual ellos van a tocar temas de cómo mejorar, de qué proyectos se pueden hacer para mejorar la comunidad garífuna de Bajamar. Si necesitan información de esta reunión, pueden llamar al 718-536-6950. Bueno, mis amores, y aquí entre anuncio y anuncio, pues aquí siempre quiero aquí mis consejos, ¿verdad?
Claro,
Tenemos tiempo todavía, díganme,
Hay
porque
tiempo,
estoy más
vamos.
rápida que una locomotora.
Vamos, hay tiempo.
¿Aló?
Let's go, vamos.
Ok. Querido amigo, si hoy fue un día de esos que ibas caminando por la calle y te caíste en una concha de mínimo verde, si estabas sentado y un tremendo pájaro te bautizó con una tremenda... Si ibas caminando y de repente te golpeaste de una pared de cristal porque no viste que era una puerta, y sigues tan cansado y tan decepcionado, te paras de una orilla y pasa un carro y te tira aquel montón de agua porque pasó sobre el charco. Para rematar, llegas a tu casa y en cuanto abres la puerta, viene tu mujer, tu novia, tu amante o tu mamá insultándote y sacándote los trapos de afuera. Amigo, no te preocupes, siéntate en tu casa, date un baño de agua fría, siéntate y relájate y dícete a ti mismo: hoy no me fue bien, pero mañana será un mejor día. Así que, señores, amén. No importa cómo nos vaya de mal hoy, siempre pensemos que mañana será un mejor día. Ya saben, mis amores, arriba ánimo, que lo que pasó hoy no pasará mañana. ¿Qué les parece?
Excelente, así es la vida, adelante.
Bueno, mis queridos amigos, ya comenzó diciembre y comenzaron los FEDUS. Ay. Este 5 de diciembre va a haber un FEDU, lo que es en la 162 y Prospect. La mayoría de la gente ya uno solo dice 162 y Prospect y ya todo el mundo sabe. Pueden llamar a lo que es el 622-6716 con la señora Lina, o pueden llamar con la señora Mina al 718-684-4911. Ay, señor, siguen los FEDUS, ya está el FEDU del 24 de diciembre, del Club Guabaragua, Trujillo, Nueva York. Eso va a estar candelita, pollito asado, eso va a ser en la 149 Street y Brook Avenue. Así que hay que ir preparando los bonus culturales garífunas, así que pueden llamar, y miren, la entrada cuesta $15. Entonces pueden llamar a la señora Cita al 718-842-7180, o pueden llamar al señor Pablo, que es el 347-520-6931. A la misma vez le hago un llamado a toda la gente, pues que se comuniquen aquí a la radio, que nos apoyen, porque este es un trabajo finalmente comunitario en el cual no estamos adquiriendo nada monetario. Aquí nosotros todo lo estamos haciendo gratis, free, para ayudar a nuestra comunidad, para ayudar a nuestra gente. Correcto. Así que mis amores, búsquennos, que aquí estamos a la orden del día. ¿Qué me les parece?
Excelente, excelente. Gracias por ese reporte tan lindo. Toda la información al día de lo que sucede allá en la comunidad garífuna de Nueva York con Budari Palacio de Budari Dance Company. ¿Qué más, Budari?
Así mismo. Bueno, quiero mandarle un fuerte abrazo y saludo a lo que es toda mi gente de Tegucigalpa que están conectados ahorita mismo. En cuanto termine el reportaje dicen Budari, escuché la radio. Gracias Tegucigalpa, gracias a todos los garífunas, a todos los que son hijos de garífunas, a todos los mestizos, gracias a todos por escucharnos. La verdad que estamos, ¿verdad, familia? Bien agradecidos porque todo el mundo está sintonizado con nosotros.
Excelente, excelente.
Les tengo un chiste. Escúchenme, la vez pasada estaban muriendo de Tegucigalpa de la risa. ¿Están listos para escucharlo? ¿Tenemos tiempo?
¡Estamos listos! ¡Yeah!
Ok. Viene una vez allá en Vampirolandia. Había escasez de sangre. Y todo el mundo andaba buscando sangre en Vampirolandia y no encontraban. De repente aparece un vampiro con un montón de sangre en la frente. Y está como medio mareado, como los ojos así que no se puede sostener, y vienen los otros vampiros y le dicen, ¡Ey, loco, compa! Pero, ¿cómo lo hiciste? ¿Cómo fue que conseguiste sangre? Estamos sufriendo porque no tenemos sangre. Viene el vampiro y le dice, agárrame, le dice, sí, te agarro, le dice, vení para acá. Viene el vampiro y llama a todos los panas de él, los amigos, le dice, vengan para acá, le dice, pero dinos, ¿cómo hallaste esa sangre? Viene él y le dice, compañeros, ¿ustedes ven esa pared? Sí, papá, vemos esa pared. Pues yo no la vi.
¡Wow! Tremenda, Budari Palacios, con el reporte de Nueva York y un par de chistes ahí. Gracias, Budari, por eso, por mantener ese ánimo arriba y por siempre ser una inspiración para toda la comunidad de Nueva York y para nosotros aquí que siempre logramos verte por Facebook y pues escuchar los consejos que le das al público a través de social media, del Facebook.
Así mismo. Bueno, pues dígame si tenemos más tiempo, porque aquí tengo lo que es otro evento, lo que es el sábado noviembre 14, dice que es el pre-Thanksgiving. Va a estar Libaña Maraza, H&P, va a ser aquí en el Bronx, lo que es el Social Catering Place. Pueden llamar a Giselle al 347-780-8433 o pueden llamar a Digna al 646-474-0807. Va a estar candela, es una fiesta antes de Thanksgiving. Y no olvidemos tampoco que nuestra querida amiga Chichambara Production tendrá también su pijamanadi, su fiesta de pijamanadi, que ya varias veces lo he estado promocionando. Espero que no se les haya olvidado. Hoy pues quiero mandar un saludo a todos los garífunas que han sido veteranos, que han ido a la guerra o no han ido a la guerra, pero han sido parte del Army. Muchísimas gracias y muchísimas felicidades a todos los veteranos, porque en verdad se merecen ese honor de haber sacrificado lo que es su vida por proteger esta tierra americana. Saludes veteranos, happy veteran, ¿cómo se dice?
Happy
¿Cómo se dice en
Veterans
inglés?
Day.
Happy Veterans Day.
Eso, claro que sí. Felicidades. Happy Veterans Day to all of our beautiful people who have worn the uniform to defend this country. Claro que sí.
Claro que sí, mis amores, claro que sí. Pues aquí estamos muy felices. Vengan a darse una vueltecita por Nueva York, especialmente por la 42. Ahí, yo les voy a ser sincera. Yo solamente cuando voy a la 42 a Nueva York, yo me siento en Nueva York. Cuando me miro en aquellos edificios con aquellos anuncios, digo, hello, estoy en Nueva York. Pero apenas vamos al barrio, aquí estoy en Honduras.
Qué buena te la echaste. Wow.
Bueno, mis amores, ya saben, los quiero mucho. Gracias por hacerme parte de su familia. Y como siempre, aquí está Budari Dance Company. Estamos abiertos para cualquier persona que nos quiera contratar. Tenemos la facilidad de poder viajar, pues ojalá y que alguien pueda escucharme y pues nos llame a hacer lo que es una contratación. Pueden llamar lo que es al 1347-596-7021 o pueden llamar al 1646-430-3703, que es el número del promotor de Budari Dance Company. Y también quiero mandarle un saludo a todos los artistas, garífunas y no garífunas, que luchan día a día por mantener ese arte y por mantener lo que es su propia cultura. Felicidades a todos.
Gracias, Budari, from Budari Dance Company. Gracias por el reporte y nos vemos para el próximo miércoles. Saludos a toda la familia, a todo el grupo de Budari Dance Company, a tu esposo también y a toda la gente linda de Nueva York. Mama Wama. Feliz noche.
Gracias. Sayonara, como dijo el chino.
Ajá, ¿qué motea? Ayo.
Sayonara, ayo.
Ayo.
Adiós, Cuñón.
Gracias.
Ok, bye bye.
Bye bye.
We must stay for them. Yeah. Ireland, take it over, baby.
I was conceived like any other child in the womb of a mother's troubled child. I look so normal and so beautiful, just like any other child. But I have this big dark secret, so just listen for a while. See, I was born
gataye Movie bublu Kalar malamuga Tui kapana to Luni ariye Swadu malaya What the luni Nukuni yute Lula fruni Karar luwago Ala malamuga Tui kapana to Luni ariye Swadu malaya Hey bukanale Pula sule yasari ha Subudi wateli Dansari hanye Pero gele la kuzuta Alu na sandiru Lizu ruyo Lao Rubi buhubulu Birdie Rubi buhubulu Pati agatae Rubi buhubulu Hala na malauga Tuiga banato Luni ariye Swadu warashina Iwat na luni Nupungi yute Lula fruni Likarabani luwago Hala na malauga Tuiga banato Luni ariye Swadu warashina Himuchi lao Wadi kale siabade Pop up on myself If you know say that you love one time all the time Let the arrows scream out Chupa Himuchi lao
Bueno, miremosle. Guapo ni vaca. La nave ni vaca ni más. Ay, no. Ay, no.
said if you know you're not happy, raise your hand. We the bash in time, to the jam in time, to the rock in time. We not happy. We the bash in time, to the jam in time, to the rock in time. We not happy. 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 We not happy.
They not happy. Dongrigan, they not happy. Demoshe, they not happy. Harlem, they not happy. Lakeland, they not happy. Bakaton Massive.
In time, the jam in time, the rock in time. We not happy. We the bash in time, the jam in time, the rock in time. We not happy.
La Buga,
Mabundatiwa,
Idura,
Mabundatiwa,
Palisi,
Mabundatiwa,
Danica,
Mabundatiwa,
Billy,
Mabundatiwa,
Hopkins,
Mabundatiwa,
Jackson,
Mabundatiwa,
Lupapinima,
Mabundatiwa, 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 Mabundatiwa. Bash in time, the jam in time, the rock in time. We not happy. The bash in time, the jam in time, the rock in time. We not happy. 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 This one is for all the people who are not happy.
We are surviving this catastrophe. As one nation, we stand by you in your time of need.
Though the days right now may seem dark, realizing all that you have lost, your home, your earthly possession, we know that grief now fills your heart.
We know it's awful what you've been through. All the ones I had, we've got to do to put our lives together. So this we pledge to you. So come on, let's give it a try.
This is a road we won't travel alone. We are here for you. We will see you through. This heavy load lay on our shoulders. Brick by brick we will rebuild. Nail by nail we will rebuild. Touch by touch we will rebuild.
Seed by seed, we will rebuild.
'Cause you are not alone. You are not alone. 'Cause you are not alone. We are here for you. Release is here for you.
To all of our brothers,
We extend this our helping hand.
for the loved ones we've lost.
Our grieving nation, its prayers will send.
Though the days
Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Es un programa semanal de 7 de la noche a 9 de la noche todos los miércoles a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com en Los Ángeles y www.lmbroots.com radio en Nueva York. Tune in next Wednesday again for Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. We're live and direct through www.radiocentroamerica.com and lmbroots.com radio in New York. Wednesdays from 7 to 9 p.m.